Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lala and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made my Jamaican Asham. Yes guys, this is one of my childhood snacks that I used to get. I used to help my grandmother make it, but we did the long way with the mortar and the pestle. I'm showing you the easier way to do it so you still can enjoy this today. Okay, so here I have 2 bags of corn. They're already parched and everything, but I want them to be a little bit more amber color. This is ready to eat as a snack, but for what I'm doing, I need it to be a darker color. And yeah, so basically I just added it to my deep pot, put it on medium heat, and I'm just stirring them around until they get that color that I'm looking for. By the way, you guys, if you're here for the first time, welcome to my channel, and if you're returning, welcome back to my channel. And thank you so much for your continued support. For my new visitors, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And for everyone, please remember to leave a comment and a thumbs up. I will be greatly appreciated. Okay, so basically I'm just letting it parch until I'm satisfied with the color and everything. So make sure you don't burn this, you guys. It gets easily burned. That's why every time I'm going in, maybe like 1 to 2 minutes at a time to make sure it's not getting too charred on one side. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. Okay, guys, you know what, I remember this. I used to make this with my grandmother. We used to do it like this in the pot and everything, and then we put it in the mortar, and I will use a pestle and just beat it until it's grounded, and then we'll sift it, and then we add our sugar to it. But this way, I don't have a mortar, I don't have a pestle, and if I could get one, it's those little tabletop ones, which won't work for this. So yeah, I'm showing you the easier version that you still can enjoy this snack. I would call it a snack. Yeah, so now that was done, I let that cool and I'm adding it to my blender. So basically I'm using my magic bullet to start, but later on I realized that it wasn't the right one for this type of job because it wasn't blending properly. So here I had to stop the machine and just shake it up a little bit just so it could, I try to shake it while it's blended. But eventually I'll switch out to my Ninja, and yeah, I'll use that, and it works way better for this project. So if you do have a magic bullet, please use something like a Ninja or a better blender than the magic bullet that will ground this up. Okay, I want to hear from my Jamaican people that's watching my video and stuff, if you've remembered this snack from back home, and just leave me a comment and let me know if you're gonna try it. That would be great. I mean, you still can enjoy this even if you're way older than you were before when you used to do this. So yeah, let me know. Okay, so basically I just did this in 2 batches, and yeah, I'm just gonna repeat that, then I'm going to sift it out. Okay, so now that's done. I'm going to use my small sifter for this, and yeah, I try to use a larger one, but you have to use like a not so much of a large mess strainer, but one that the actual powder will get in there, and the remaining there's gonna be some like a residue left over. It's still corn, but those are the ones that don't really blend. So yeah, you're just gonna discard that. So whatever I sift into the bowl, that's gonna be my final product, a part of my final product. That's done. That's my final product, and that's the remaining that I'm going to throw out. So I'm going to be putting some brown sugar in here. I'm going to give it a good stir. So here it all depends on you on how sweet you like this. I like mine to have a balance. I do want to taste the corn and the sugar at the same time. I don't want one to be overpowering and the other not. So this is how you eat it. You put a spoon in there, you take some up, put it in the palm of your hand and press it against your tongue. So that's how we normally eat it. Okay, so it wasn't balanced enough for me, so I did add some more sugar. I can't really give you a specific amount as to what to put because everybody's taste bud is different. So yeah, and there you go, you guys, Jamaican Asham. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like, share, and subscribe, and please remember to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.